Ons sal almal weer uitnooi na hierdie Sondag aand se praise and worship of revival night. En ons sal sommer net vra dat almal sal kom en die Here se naam kom groot maak. Hom verheerlik vir wie hy is. And I just think about that scripture in Hebrews 3 chapter 1 that says, let us fix our eyes on Jesus. And I just feel that's what we need to do in times like this. There's so many distractions in this world and things that wants to take our eyes away from Jesus back onto worldly things. And we need to refocus and put our eyes focus on Jesus Christ alone. And so, dis hoekom ek voel, ons moet net weer by mekaar kom en sy naam groot maak.
Yeah, this is what you just said, Werner, it's so powerful because you know what, we must remember He is our refuge and strength. So He's actually our place of safety. So this is just a special invitation to each and every one of you to just be here and just dwell in His presence, like it says in Psalms 91 verse 1. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. So let's just come together and just have a special encounter with God and we experience the fullness of His glory. You know, in Romans chapter 8 verse 18, it says our present sufferings are not worth compared to the glory that will actually be revealed in us. So there's a future glory that will be revealed in us. So we are so expectant and excited to what the Lord is about to do.
I agree, AB. And so it's cold outside, but we can come together. Ons kan by mekaar kom en ons sal sorg dat die plek warm is hier binne en lekker warm koffie, maar ons kan nog steeds by mekaar kom en van binne af warm word soos wat die Gees ons warm maak. So sien jou dan Sondag aand 5:00 hier by VVG.
Oh yes.
Chapter 3 verse 1 that says, let us what does it say? Let us what? What does it say? Let us fix our eyes on Jesus. Okay. Let's fix our eyes on Jesus. Let's fix